In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to India. To do this, I recommend using Remitly. Now you can also use a similar service such as Wise, but I have found Remitly to be the easiest and cheapest. So just go to remitly.com, make sure your country is set to Australia right here, and the country where you're sending to, I'm just gonna set it to India. So now here you can see how much it actually costs. For example, 100 Australian dollars. You'll get them 5,753 rupees, and for the delivery method you can do UPI, which is completely free. You can do a bank deposit and even cash pickup. Now from there, just going to click send again, and you can see on your first transfer you also have 0 fees. So just going to select the deposit method and then click on send. Now from there, if you already have an account, going to sign in. If you don't, just sign up. Signing up only takes a few minutes. Now here again, make sure it's set to sending to India. If it changed, just go and click on the country it's set to and search for India and select it. And then from there, simply click send money. Now here for me it's in euro, for you it will be Australian dollars. Just select how much you want to send. Then the delivery method. So again, you have these 3 options. I'll go for a bank deposit. And then you will need to enter their details for the method you picked. So in this case, their bank details. And then you can choose how you want to pay for it. From there, just click continue. Then you will need to enter the recipient's details. So first their bank details, then the recipient's first and last name, then optionally their phone number, then the reason you are sending to them, for example, savings and family support. It could also be educational institutions or any of these other ones. If you're sending as a business, then you will need to open a Remitly business account. But from there, click continue. And then confirm your payment method. Then you have the overview. From there, just going to confirm everything is correct and then actually pay for it. And then you can see in this case, it delivers within 15 minutes. So that's how you can send money from Australia to India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.